As PFAS have sort of moved from an emerging contaminant to an emerged contaminant, we are seeing a wider and wider suite of potential analytical tools in our toolbox to help us reach defensible conclusions with respect to the origins of contamination and impacts. But a really important thing, and something that separates Geosyntec from some of our other competitors in this space, is our understanding of when and how to use those tools. There are situations where costly advanced analytical analyses or statistical analyses may be appropriate and justified and be really advantageous for a client. But other times we've seen regulators ask for these expensive and advanced tools, and we've had to push back and say, to what end? What is the question that this is going to answer? And we've had success by pointing out that while this is an exciting and novel and interesting tool, it's not getting at the real questions that we are trying to answer with respect to this particular site. And so having practitioners that have that knowledge and confidence to assert to a client that, yes, this will cost more, but you should do it because of these reasons, or the converse of that, no, we need to push against this, or it would be smarter not to do that, to save your money and apply it elsewhere, is a big differentiator with how we think about these problems and look towards satisfactory and economical conclusions. A good working relationship with a regulator is based on strong science and respect. And that is something that we bring to our interactions. When we push back against a regulator, we are coming at it from a place of sound science and data. And it's because of that that we tend to maintain very good relationships with regulators. I love when we're able to reach a defensible conclusion that is accepted by a regulator, and having regulators accept those results with no comment or issue comments, having us address them by doing a little bit more investigating and providing some more data, and then demonstrating that it all supports our original conclusions. I think that's really exciting, because there's the danger with PFAS, that this desire to learn everything. And the reality is that we don't need to know everything to make smart decisions for the health and safety of our environment.